Evening all, welcome back to Weremouse Workshop. Tonight we've got a tilter strip out, so I'm going to knock it off for a bit, get the camera set up, we'll get straight into it. Cheers guys. Into it. First of all, T. So this is a Casio electronic cash register TE100. And for those of you wondering where I got it from, no, I didn't rob it. This is a legitimate pickup. And again, before you ask, there's no money in the till. Woohoo! There you go, that's how much it tells you what you've got to pay. Yoink. Plastic. Plastic. That silver coated, I can get a decent shot of it. Silver coated on that. Won't bother recovering that though. What I hate seeing is these yellow boards, because the yellow boards are generally a lower grade. Of a cheap brittle plastic. Oh, there we go. Right, we'll come to that bit in a second. Again, yeah, boards like that. You've got green on one side, or it's this yellow on the other side. Not massively optimistic about anything decent being on there, although we've got a few nice C chips. Again, silver plated. Those will be silver plated as well, but I'm not overly excited about that, so we'll stick that to one side. Got plastic there. Let me just pause it and get my drill for a second. So I've got a few more screws in here. Bit of copper on there. Nice chunky transformer on there. Couple of MOSFETs. Bit of aluminium on the heat sinks. So yep. Bit of copper cable. Again, like scrap, we've got gold pins in there, so I'll take that off. IC chips, Looks to be a gold banded oscillator there, I can't see in that in this light. There it is. Nice flat packs. So yeah, there's something salvageable off that board. We've got the little motor there for the tiller seat. Looks like we've got batteries under here. There we go. Get them out. I think that's going to be it. Yeah, it's a little motor, bit of cable. Steel in plastic there. Again, a little motor. Nothing too much in there. And there's just a screw there. A big lump out. So there's crap in there. Could we use that? Maybe. Don't want to throw it away. Just throw it away, Steve. Could use that though. For holding all my wads of cash. Not. Right. Let's look. What's this? Right, so that on the mylar, so that's nothing. So all that, difficult to see in this light. All these dots here and the lines in between, you can feel them on this side, should be silver. Now, it might look a lot there, but you'd need probably a couple of hundred of these to actually make it worthwhile to recover. But nevertheless, I'll keep that to a side because we've got ribbon with silver tipped end. That I'm not entirely sure about. I'm hoping one of you good viewers may know that, whether that's a silver coated or something else. And that's just a happy little keypad. Fidget things but that looks like gold. That looks like gold to me. Gold foil. Come on, you solid thing, focus. Right, see if I can bring it in. No, it's not having it. What a load of shite. Trust me. I'll bring it up to this side. No. Oh, surprise! That definitely looks like gold plated to me. So that will go in a separate pot, because that all adds up. Anyway, enough prattling on. I'm Steve, that's been Weremouse Workshop for a less than entertaining strip out, but nevertheless a strip out. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got this far, thank you. If you like what you see, I've got loads of these videos, past catalogue, back catalogue. Have a look through furnace building, melting, tiny bit of camper van stuff, which I'm hoping to add some more to. Please consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up if you're watching this this episode. It all helps. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. Weremouse out.